Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going on a trip to the Fujairah Friday market. This is in the Sharjah Fujairah Road before Masafi. It's a traditional Arabian market set among beautiful mountains and valleys with an open market setting. Though called as Friday market, but the shops are open all week long and it's a nice place to have a small break. And we are going to cook there, so come with me. Let's get started. This is Sharjah Road and it will take about an hour to reach Friday market. Here the roundabouts are so beautiful with those traditional setups and water fountains. Fujairah is the only emirate that is located completely on the eastern coast of the UAE along the Gulf of Oman. My puppy likes long drive. See how she's enjoying. This is Friday market and it's famous for its variety of goods sold from vegetables, fruits, plants to toys, carpets and pots. On both sides of the main road there are lots of stalls and small shops. Here you get garden accessories, different types of pots for plants in different sizes. All items must be purchased in cash only. There is no fixed price. You need to bargain and buy. In the plant nurseries, you get varieties of plants, indoor and outdoor plants and trees. Price range starts from 1 dirham, depends on what you buy. There's a pineapple stall here. They serve little differently. They scoop out the pulp, make juice and serve it in the same pineapple with lot of chunks and it's really good. Here in the small shops, you get fresh local vegetables and fruits comes directly from the farm. For a quick snack to have here, I'm going to make crispy vegetable burger. So I need to get some vegetables. In this stall, they sell sweet corn. They have boiled and grilled. They are very delicious. This place is behind the market. People come here with their families and friends. They cook here and enjoy. A good thing is we have a restroom here in the center of the ground. It's a nice place surrounded by mountains. Even kids have fun. They climb mountains and fly kites. These are the things I bought from the market. Let's start cooking. Ingredients for veg patties. First let's boil the potatoes. Peel the potatoes and chop lengthwise. Instead of boiling the whole potato, cut this way, it will cook fast. Add enough water and boil it. While the potato is boiling, let's prep our veggies. Chop about 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves. This is 1 inch of ginger, finely chopped. This is 1 carrot. Peel the skin and chop into small cubes. In a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 onion finely chopped. No need to cook the onions brown, just saute it for a minute. Add finely chopped ginger and carrot. Carrot has to cook, so saute it for 2 minutes on a medium flame. While the carrot is cooking, let's add the spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of dry mango powder and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Mix everything well. Cook it on a low flame. Do not add water. This is half cup of green peas. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Cover and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. Potato is done, nice and soft. Turn off the flame. Drain out the water and mash the potatoes. Do not mash fully like a paste, just leave small pieces here and there. Add the mashed potato to the carrot mixture and give it a nice mix until well combined. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, some chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything and keep it aside, let it cool a bit. Can you see a white truck over there? Cleaners have come here to clean this place. It's so clean here and they are maintaining it so well. While the mixture is getting cooled, let's prep for the French fries. Look who is entertaining us. I haven't seen them for quite some time. My puppies also enjoy watching them. Ingredients to make French fries. To make French fries, I'm going to peel the skin. You can make it with the skin also, it's your preference. Cut a little top and bottom of the potato to get that French fries look. Cut the potato in half and then cut the half potato into strips. To get a crisp coating, add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour and mix well. Heat up oil on a medium heat and add the potatoes. Fry them until they turn light golden. This is done, nice and golden. Remove from the oil and put it on a tissue. Let's make patties. Take generous amount of this mixture, put it in your palm, roll it and then gently pat it. Make patties little bigger than the buns. Now this is ready. We cannot fry the patty straight away like that. It will break. So for that we have to make a slurry. Into a bowl, add 1/4 cup of plain flour and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Add little water, make it like a paste. And then add little more water and bring it to a semi-thick consistency where we can dip our patties. First dip the patty in the slurry and then coat in the breadcrumbs. I am using panko crumb. This will give extra crunch. In some supermarkets you will not find it. It's available online. Carefully add it to the oil and fry until it's nice and golden brown in color. Now let's turn the patty to the other side and fry. This is done, nice and crisp. Now take and put it on a tissue. These are the ingredients we need to make this burger. First, I'm going to toast the burger buns onto a griddle or a pan. Add some butter and toast the buns. This is done. Keep it aside. All the ingredients are ready. Now let's arrange our burger. On one side of the bun, I'm adding cheese spread and mayonnaise. This is spicy mayonnaise. Onto the other side, add some tomato ketchup, spread it evenly and then add the patty. Delicious, crispy vegetable burger is ready to be served. Sun is setting down and it's getting dark. Now we are going to pack our things and move on. Do give it a try. It's really good with some fries and fresh juice. If you like this recipe, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.